Now if you notice the chainsaw, it can cut on top, the tip, and the bottom. But when you're using a saw, you really want to stay away from using that tip, because what happens is, if you picture the, hold on there. You picture the chain rolling around like that, right? So it's going to be grabbing the wood right there in the tip. What's it going to do? It's going to want to force the saw back, and it can call, they call that a kickback. And a lot of people get hurt from kickbacks because you have a spinning chain flying back, and you might engage your brake, but maybe not fast enough.
When you're looking at the tip, do not cut anything in this kind of area. Anywhere on this side, do not use that side to cut anything. It's just a precaution to avoid any kickback.